Welcome to Swell Academy. It's Friday. We're making another video about supplementary and complementary angle word problems. First thing we want to look at is this supplementary angle. We know we're 180. Anytime you get a problem like this, the first thing you want to do is establish, okay, I have two angles. That's what supplementary, two angles. That's what supplementary is. That's going to equal 180. And it says an angle measures 178 more than the measure of its supplementary angle. I do not know the measure of my supplementary angle. Call it x. It's terrible x. Let's start from scratch. And so this is my angle 1 here. But I do know that the other angle is 178 more than the measure of its supplementary angle. So we could say that's 178. We say that's equal to 180. Now, if I'm going to solve for what each of these are, then I need to just simply combine like terms, set it equal to 180, subtract 178. I'm trying to get x by itself. Set it equal to 2, divide by 2, x is equal to 1. Now we're not finished, right? Because now we're able to actually substitute in for each of these angles. Now x is 1, so my one angle is 1 degree, and my other angle is 1 plus 178, 179 degrees. And I think this is a funny example because one of the angle degrees is 1 degree, but it makes sense. If my one angle is 1, and I add 178 to that 1 degree, then I'll have an angle of 179. And that's basically the format for all these. Setting up, the measure of an angle is 5 and the measure of a complementary angle. When I see complementary, I take the 9 and the 0. That's the way I remember 90. Changes complementary into 90. My 90-plementary angle, we could call it, if we want to be funny, is equal to 90 degrees. And I know that's two angles, just like we saw in the previous one, but now that it's complementary, it's 90. I don't know what the one angle is, but I know the other is 5 times that. Setting up this equation is the toughest part, the most important part. If you're able to do that, the rest is pretty smooth. Combining like terms, divide by 6. X is equal to, what is that, 15? And then we just want to plug in this x here and here, and x equals 15. 5 times 15 is 75. 15 degrees, 75 degrees, and that in fact equals degrees. Another word problem, supplementary 180. We're going to start moving a little quicker here. We have x. We know it's 88 less than the angle we don't know. The angle we don't know is always going to be x. I know we said that. And it's a simple CLT, combine like terms. This is a good algebra review. Add 88. Making some big 8s right now. Was this 1? No. Let's just punch it in. It's late Friday. Use the calc. X is equal to 1, 3, 4. Makes sense. I just divided 2 into each of these numbers. And then we're punching in here and here. And 134 plus 134 minus 88, 46 is equal to 180. And we have another good setup, good equation, reading the word problem, being able to make an equation out of it. Remember, the more you fail, the more you succeed. So keep working hard.